Welcome to the Political Rant with me, The Voice, right here on Ghana and TV GH. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. And we want to have a look at the ambulances. His Excellency Nana Akuffo Addo, the former president of the Republic of Ghana, Toma, ambulance service. Mbekaya, prior to 2017, before President Nana Akuffo Addo took over as the first gentleman of the land. No, now ambulance service. Now any idea you will even be proud of as a Ghanaian. We are here and I say we are emergency big giddy. We are ambulance service force of Mbefawa. You don't get anybody. Emergency line crowd for a crowd bianfa. Enu enamuna Excellency Akuffo Addo ni MPP aban. And Amuka said, "Since I didn't tell you, I say making sure say so bomb mudina every district." And I say every constituency, I Ghana Obi antimi ambulance. Yes, I say we go abrochira na some manonia. So you can go to some places where one constituency and say we want to see have about 5-10 ambulance to 10 ambulances. And the assembly here, enya fe na obi dini taxi and say bobo ya ebe find microphone and all those things. Now, if the country is also able to mobilize those ambulances, about with employment. Because once you have ambulance service, people, each ambulance, in fact, say 4. And that's supposed to be in one ambulance at a time. And to say, first, even a shift of 2 people, 2 shifts, it means that one ambulance is employing about 8 people. And Akuffo Addo, ni Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, omu order sa ambulance we ni mwena eba omainemu, I think 2019, 2020 honum, and as ambulances no be do ye. Now, Oko ambulance now share the kind of logistics I was ambulances more. Ebe yo ya passe kind of 40 million husa nyama Akuffo Addo aye.
Ambulance nti we monitor cardiac monitor ebe hwe na se na ne koma bo oxygen e wo no mu ni temperature ni bibia nti wo da ambulance ma sa ne ma nyina se na wo hospital nti we mobile hospital ye wo machine we a different AED se nipa no cardiac arrest eno na ebe use ide ama nipa no ye wo nebulizer nso wa ha se nipa no asthma eno use the man asthma we nebulizer ye be she na ye wo sabuta mo na e de agu okay nti we na so go asthma are on so a ye use the man na nebulizer na se na nipa no beto no ye wo defibrillator eno so we do hospital ye the cardioversion is an man what's a grace friend we inti yekita 2 pass you now nebulizer rushing it's ambulance no niema bebre niema ye second life saving paddles
it's an mobile plug ya na say
ya plug bibia em say ehim
ne hanom na ye hu ready man na kuma ne wo mu a na kire se wo say use we a
okay
na be ya fa we na ya so a charge
okay
to energy a person use fa electrical energy a person dey fa na afi ya prepare the chest
eno na mo ga 1 2 action na
machine we no say nipa no o cardiac arrest essence car no move no ntino yentumi we nti ebe use we some machine we na ye betimi ade
ya chese we nya heart attack
so we nya heart attack yentumi car no move ebe de nti ebe use machine we nti ebe press ni chest nti we manual resuscitation machine CPR machine automated one nti eno abe compression anka wo do nsa be de because car na eko nti machine be de ebe adwuma
na me hu
oxygen
we oxygen
cylinders no ena e wa mienu nti ambulance bia wo bia yo oxygen nti we na de na ye wo suction machine so
suction ye de
se nipa no amamman ni ade wo mu se ne be ya nipa no betimi ahome ye ni ade
nti a
hospital wow nti ye suction aba be gu nti niama bebra e wo mu a ye wo even small fridge wo ha ye di enuro ne ice packs ne sane man ye de ehim nti ambulance
me who
nyama
sink nyina
ye de wo hore nsane ade after so be hwe patients wo ma
na saadi we no
eno ne ye de for ECG late so no ye de toto onane wa sane be ya e pese e shock wa ye de shock nti defibrillator ne ho ne ma na e wo sane man
the ayasamo kwa software ben na musia wa
kwa normally traffic
okay
now you bought siren so still ama other road users my because even say obi anemu
yeah e be say siren no motam ye
oh samre no ntimi nkire say obi dem anu nti say what siren na wo man kwan em say MTT before no wo ye won adwuma but e be stress say intersections you do want to because traffic no go anu adi because you courage if you test or cross circle you know easy but they say the nipa no do the shortest time say be ya obetimi ato doctors no ha obetimi nti we no orthopedic surgeons now oh obetake
it we mo de no be call emergency
yeah no be call emergency accident emergency or rich
Akuffo ni ba o me anama mutimi yie ma o man we eni nyina echi na no mkoto abate o mu no eye wanwan pa o cause ambulance ni mu a ade ya friend nebulizer nkofo mo asthma so omunya attacks asthmatic attack no sa nebulizer na yetimi di boa mo a mutimi hume ena nebulizer very very important so obinya asthmatic attack na sa de no ni hwan pa no wetimi ewu ba ene ameno kasa no sa ade no wo ambulance Akuffo Addo ni ba me atoy ade bi so o ha no monitor screen bi ye check you blood pressure and say ye check you SpO2 your respiration and all those things na yet me share was so say figure no say na etie no say na wakuma se born and all those things no ye na say sir omo adjust something around you and all those things ni nyina share sa ambulance Akuffo Addo toy in that same ambulance no utimi say sink yeah na won for kitchen mo utimi room san and all those things no sa sink no ebi wo Akuffo Addo ambulance nim enye no nyina no oxygen tank mienu e was ambulance mo and a lot of other stuff that form up to make a modern ambulance na compare way to near yano ma masan baba mo no near na mo se omukoto ube won say it was a waste of our time and a waste of our taxpayers' money. Enti Akuffo Addo, why we nyina, and with time we are going to be picking their achievements of Akuffo Addo's government one after the other, and we'll be revisiting it because revision there a yepa ase kind of for omuyanya short memory mama His Excellency can say your short memory no, but we will not allow Ghanaians to forget the legacy of His Excellency Nana Akuffo Addo, our former president. So we'll keep reminding you of the things he has done, and we'll keep showing you what you are missing, not voting for MPP. And hopefully, by 2028, your mind will be made up that there be. I say me sorry. I mean, come to Abama MPP. This has been the political rant with me, the voice right here on Ghana and Sam TV GH. Please like, comment, subscribe, share. Turn on the notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Until then, bye bye, cheers. See you in the next one.